there.
Liang Jingkun with the serve, goes for the high toss. And it's a good start for him. Update in the rankings, he's ranked 7th in the world. Yui Kwan To, in comparison, 20 years old. I would have possibly backed the man who had already done well for them against India, Lam Sui Hang, because he had won a dive with the effort that was put in by Chan Baldwin earlier. And by the look, Yui Kwan To. He gets one more point.
Unfortunately, Japan got to face China in semi-final. They were the only match, went on to till 5th match decider, long game. They spent almost close to 4.5 by Kwan.
Yes, a spirited comeback. Also looking at the Chinese strategy, they've come in with their 5-member squad. Oh, now all the 3 matches that they've played, they've of course shuffled the order around. Jiang Peng, who's 9th in the world, we haven't seen him in this competition. Oh, so quietly, it is such a quiet move that Yui has charted out here.
Oh, Kwan could.
He's in the Chinese squad.
Oh, that's a beautiful service received. Well.
It was initially placed very...
Oh. Quite a ripping backhand.
This has been quite a show here by the youngster from Hong Kong, China. This time hits the net. Yesterday, Liang Jingkun had lost that match against Harimoto. When they are too close to success, that is when they start making mistakes, because it becomes a psychological battle to handle it.
Psychological battle finally is on.
Seen in the first game, it was Chan. He was leading 10-8 against Wang Chuqin.
With that ripping backhand situation for Kwan, you've got to be really calculative what service you would do.
And handle yourself. Psychologically, just handle yourself. Keep calm. He's missed it. And once again, it's like a replay of...
Have been doing it for years right now.
Yeah, just ensure that I don't have to come back and play again. Yes, and it's you who has got the game point here. And we are left.
Purer.
Now it's you.
This is being received. Earlier it used to be with the flat racket, but this time they're using a tomahawk manner of receiving it. Look at this. Kwan gave away that point. He is not expecting.
Why on earth would you do that?
Liang Jingkun lucky here.
Yui Kwan To, what a good forehand. There are various moments that Hong Kong, China will look back and think, gosh, what if we had capitalized on those?
That this contest is going to belong to China. He's sitting relaxed. He knows that there is a man on the job, Liang Jingkun. China's corner.
And what the camera didn't capture was that wide smile on Wang Hao's face. I could see it from here in the commentary box.
It was a squat power backhand.
Now,
So much of power Liang Jinkan is generating. Difficult for managed to defend this easily.
and 11 shots. That's how long that rally was. Another Stupa statistic for you. A good backhand of Yui Kwanto. Gets another point.
Liang is now working or not. The way his flow and the way his rhythm is, generally doesn't lose the rhythm.
He something that ain't broken. It was pace.
Typically, audience would want to see a long Chinese rally is full of thrust, full of power. Again, ripping backhand, good reach. Liang Jinkan bent down. This was there in the center of the body.
It's just flicked off the top of the net, and we finished last night around 10:30, 10:45 Indian Standard Time. And to return here less than 24 hours later and to put up such a show, it's commendable.
And that happened with Shidong as well in the first match. No, I will not go for a timeout. If situation arise, he doesn't miss his spinny backhand. He controls the rhythm of the game. Oh, that was
Sitting right there, you can see him at the center, at the top. We've got Chinese supporters here today as well. Very ITTF, ATTU, the Table Tennis Federation of India, and the Odisha Table Tennis Association.
Quite a footwork there by... That's a beautiful receive, but play a mind game.
Oh, that was actually...
Every point by China leads them to victory. No, no, no.
Just got big on him and that's gone out. But that AI over there, capturing these rallies right through the tournament, giving us the statistics so soon. Yes, they may have. I think they've invited you and me as well. Obviously got the opportunity to speak to numerous Chinese people over the years when I've traveled, and I know one of them very become quite popular there over the years. So wonder if he's come up with one. Against a team of this quality, you yourself may not. You may have played a lot of matches, but not players of this caliber. It's of course never easy. Then you start better, your awareness is better, and then that is when you can begin to beat them.
Till the time you get it right. That's Benjamin Farazi. Liang Jinkan wanted to finish.
No stone unturned. And on the cusp. And courtesy Liang Jinkan away from sealing this championship.
Result, they're silent. They're just quietly watching.
That was a good shot.
Kwan to serve. Quite a footwork by Kwan. Quite a footwork. No. Liang Jinkan is... Hong Kong, China not giving up.
Two points away from sealing the deal here for the defending champions, the world leaders, the world beaters. For you, to be honest, Liang and the Chinese contingent would be breathing quite easy. But that is a ripping forehand. And he has taken game point now.
He's making Liang Jingkun, the world ranker, wait. No, I'm not going to allow to have a victory. I'm going to snatch away this game. Liang Jingkun came back with that heavy loaded spinny backhand there.
Now on deuce, it will be Liang Jingkun to serve. Lobbed, and that's gone out. And Liang Jingkun, but you still have to turn up and win these championships.
China narrates that script. Winning is not just a habit this time for the player again as compared to the last year. Boys, men's and women, both the teams are taking home gold medal
Broke the world
and that
record
trophy.
35 times. He kept raising the bar. Armando Duplantis does